Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Ram Invented Tech. Today in this video we are going to discuss about a radar system project. Before going into that video, please do like our video and subscribe our channel. So let's get into the video. Required components for this project: Arduino nano Ultrasonic Sensor, one servo motor, one buzzer and one breadboard. This is the full circuit diagram. Now I am connecting the wires as per this circuit diagram, and also I mentioned the pins in below image. This is servo motor signal pin and these are power pins. This is buzzer pin connecting positive to D9 and negative pin to ground. This one is the DC female jack connecting on breadboard to give the 5 volts power supply. These pins are using to take 5 volts for Arduino board. This is a programming cable. Now I am connecting Arduino board to laptop. Now I am opening the Arduino IDE software. This code and circuit diagram link I provided in the description. Please check it out. These are the ultrasonic sensor and servo motor buzzer pins. Now go to tool option. Select the board as an Arduino Nano. Next go to select the COM port. Next click on upload the code. You will see done uploading here. Now I am giving power pins to Arduino board, V in and ground. This capacitor I am using to give the clean voltage continuously to all devices. This is the 6 volts adapter connecting to DC female jack. Now I am using some glue to stick the ultrasonic sensor on the top of the servo motor. Next, connect the cable again. Now open Google. Search for processing IDE software. Open the first website. Easily we can download the software by clicking here. This software is also available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. After installing this software, open it. This code also I provided in the description. Here the most important step is should mention the COM port correctly. Then click on run this code. See here displaying the scanning screen. You will see the servo motor rotating the ultrasonic sensor in 180 degrees. I am placing one object in front of near to the ultrasonic sensor. You can see it's indicating red in scanner. After I am placing the object below 10 centimeters, it's making buzzer sound to alert. When I move the object above 10 centimeters, that is the safe zone. When I place below 10 centimeters, that is danger zone. If you like this project video, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting projects. Thanks for watching.